Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. Uh, You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. So we're going to start with the chapter numbers and comparing the lessons we're going to cover today are skip counting, skip counting puzzles, number sequences and compare numbers. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 3 math. The chapter we are on right now is numbers and comparing. Let's just start with the lesson that is skip counting. How many dice are there? Count by twos. So you have to skip count by twos, right? That means you have to count by twos. You don't have to count one, two, three, four like this. So two, four, six, and eight. So that means there are eight dice. The correct option is eight. Let's just start with the test questions. How many linking cubes are there? You need to count them by tens. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 30. You have to skip count by 10. That is 10, 20, and 30. The correct option is 30. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. How many hearts are there? Count by twos. So, which is the correct option? That is Six, option number three is the correct option. Yes, we are off for 24th, 25th, and 26th for Christmas. How many elephants are there? Which is the correct option? That is four. Option number two is the correct option. How many tennis balls are there? Which is the correct option? That is 10. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Yeah. How many dice are there? Which is the correct option? Very good. That is 8. The correct option is 8. Option number two is the correct option. How many birds are there? Oh. The correct option is 15. Option number three is the correct option. How many ice cream cones are there? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number one, 20. It is. How many marbles are there? Which is the correct option? 30. It is option number three is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Sorry. Very good. Six it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Yeah. The next lesson is skip counting puzzles. Seth began at 45. She skip counted until he reached 77. Could he be counting by fives? So she started with 45 and you have to see if she skip counting by five, right? So when you start skip counting by five, they are 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. But you don't have 77, right? Yeah. But he reached 77. That means no, he's not skip counting by fives. The correct option is no. Let's just start with the test questions. Susie skipped counting by fours, starting at 64. Could she have said the number 85? Yes or no? So that is 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88. That means no, she's not skip counting by fours because you when you count when you skip count by four, you don't have 85. So the correct option is no. So Ron started at 25. He skip counted until he got to 75. Could he have been counting by fives, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is. Option number one is the correct option. Rita began at 20. She skipped counted by tens. Could she have said the number 70? The correct option is yes, it is option number one is the correct option. Vivian started at 8. She skipped counted by fours. Could she have been said the number 26? The correct option is no. Duncan started at 22. He skipped counted by twos. Could he have said the number 30, which is the correct option? Yes, it is. The correct option is yes. Perry skipped counted beginning at 4 until he reached 12. Could he be counting by fours, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Yeah. The next lesson is number sequences. Let's just start with the lesson. Which number is missing from the sequence? They are 2, 7, 12, the missing number, and 22. The first thing is you need to see how the pattern is growing, right? So, uh, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. That means each next number you can get by adding 5 to the previous one, right? So then 12 plus 7 is not 7, 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. The missing number is 17. Let's just start with the test questions. Which number is missing from the sequence? So just see how the pattern is growing. 79 minus 5 is 74. 74 minus 5 is 69. The pattern is decreasing. 69 minus 5 is 64. Now 64 minus 5 is 59. Option number 1 is the correct option. The pattern is decreasing by 5. Which number is missing from this sequence? Which is the correct option? Very good. 17. It is the next missing number is 17. Which number is missing from the sequence? So, which is the correct option? That is increasing by 1, right? Yes, so the next one is 52. Which number is missing from the sequence? 57, it is the correct option is 57. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which number is missing from the sequence? That is, the pattern is decreasing by 8. So 54 minus 8 is 46. It is very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yeah. Which number is missing from the sequence? 73. It is okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Compare numbers. Which sign makes the statement true? That is 120 and 122. You have to compare. 120 is less than 122. You have to compare, right? Which sign makes the statement true? 27 is less than 28. Option number one is the correct option. 948, you have to compare it to 949. 948 is less than 949. Which sign makes the statement true? 164 is greater than 154, greater it is. Which sign makes the statement true? Very good, less than it is. 588 and 736, which is the correct option? That is 588 is less than 736. Two. 732 is greater than 731. 'Which sign makes the statement true? That is 186 is greater than 185. 539 is equal to 539. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is numbers and comparing. The lessons we have covered today are skip counting puzzles, number sequences, and compare numbers. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No, I'm not okay. I have a very bad throat infection. Any questions? Thank you for asking. Bye, everyone.